Hi guys, for those of you who keep asking me, how do you make your Instagram post to appear on Facebook, specifically when you want to publish a new post on IG? So it's simply called cross-posting. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you could turn on the cross-posting feature so that whenever you post on Instagram, it automatically reflects on your Facebook page. So let's jump right straight into this video, guys. So we launched the Instagram app. Next, you visit your profile home by clicking on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Next, you click on the menu button at the top right corner. You could scroll down or scroll up to make it appear. So you click on the menu button at the top right corner. Next, you scroll down till you find cross-posting. Then you click on it. Okay, so this is where you're going to find where to activate sharing your post to your Facebook page, which includes your story, normal posts, or reels. Okay, then you could also turn on to recommend your reels on Facebook if you want. Okay, so we're going to cover this on the business account also. It's actually still the same thing. So let's go back. Let's come here. So we're going to switch to our business account. So I'm going to hold this, then switch to our business account. Okay, so you can see. So make sure you visit your profile home where all your contents have been displayed in a grid format. So before clicking on the menu button at the top right corner, you want to ensure that your page is already connected to your Instagram account. So you click on the edit profile. Next, click on page. Okay, so you can see that our own page is connected already. We're going to attach a video in the description section to teach you how to connect your Facebook page if you still can't do it. But once you come here, you'll be able to connect your page. For us, you can see the page is already connected, but this is where you can connect your Facebook page. So we'll go backwards. So back to our profile home. Next, we click on the menu button at the top right corner. Next, we scroll down till we find cross-posting. Okay, so this is where you'll be able to activate to post to your Facebook page, story, and etc. All right, so you could turn this on if you want. Turn this on if you want, and you could turn this on if you want. Okay, just simply click on start sharing to your page. Yeah, so sometimes when you turn that on, it turns off the recommendation. So I believe you understand. So if you turn this on, it's going to turn off the sharing of reels. That is all. So after turning this on, whichever post you publish on Instagram is going to automatically display on your Facebook page, provided that it's activated here in these first three options. All right, guys, we'll see you in our next video, and bye for now.